How to remove age restriction on YouTube. Hi everyone, it is GuideHacks, and in this video I will show you how to remove age restriction on YouTube. Now let's get started. First we need to open our YouTube app. Then we need to tap on the profile icon at the top right corner. Here we should find option Settings and tap on it. Then we need to click on General. Now we should find option Restricted Mode and switch this option off. If it doesn't help, we need to go back. Then we should click on the Manage your Google account under your username. Now we need to find category Personal Info and tap on it. In the parent menu we should click on Birthday option. And here we need to change the age over 18 years old. You need to be over 18 years old to view age-restricted content. And then tap on Save. And that's all. It was how to remove age restriction on YouTube. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we would appreciate if you subscribe to our GuideHacks channel.